Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up 11 labs in n8n, and this will allow you to automate AI voice generation within your workflows efficiently. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your n8n, and once you sign in, of course, you will see uh, the create a new workflow feature. So go ahead and click that and then add the HTTP request node in your workflow. And after that, you will just have to go to your 11 labs and then you will just have to generate your API key. So it should be somewhere right here. And then after you click that, you will just have to paste the API key into the authorization header field of the HTTP request node. And then next, you will just have to set up the request body with your text input and select the voice ID that you would want to use. And then after that, you will just have to execute the the workflow to generate your AI voice output and confirm the audio file is saved. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.